Hi everyone. This is our Go Math lesson for for Thursday, September 3rd. We are working on lesson module 1.1, different ways to represent a number. We are not going to finish this entire lesson today. We are only going to work on half, and we will work on the other half on Friday. So, we are focusing on different ways to represent numbers. What are different ways to represent two-digit numbers? Remember what I taught you yesterday about the ones and the tens place? So two-digit numbers have a ones and a tens place. So hold on. What's a digit? Digit. Oh, what's a digit? A digit is one number, any number, zero through 9. So I need you to take out your math notebook and I need you to write this down. Digit. What is a digit? Digit. Oh, what's a digit? One number, any number, 0 through 9. So I need you to write this down. Digit is one number, any number, 0 through 9. So digit, oh, what's a digit? And then you say, one number, any number, 0 through 9. So a digit is any number that's 0 through 9. Okay? Just make sure you have that vocabulary word written down in your math notebook. Okay. Now, so we have our chart. We have ones and tens. Boom. Looks like that. Ones and tens. All right. So write the number in another way. What is the different ways to write two-digit numbers? So let's see. It says Tyron, and where am I reading, Miss Youssef? Right here on the bottom. Tyron counted 53 books on the shelf. How many tens and ones are in 53? How many tens and ones? Well, 53. How many ones are in 53? 3 ones are in 53. How many tens are in 53? 5 tens are in 53. So here you would write, there are 5 tens and 3 ones. All right, let's look at the next number. Let's look at 78. So how would you write 78 in tens and ones? Well, if you have the plus sign here, then you know that they're asking for expanded form. How do you write a number in expanded form? Expanded form means stretching that number out. So how do we write the number 78 stretching it out? So again, my ones and tens chart, and then I'm going to write 78 in my ones and tens chart just like that. Okay. And then you're going to stretch it out. Well, let's see. How many tens are in 78? There are 7 tens. 7 tens is the same as what? It's the same as 70. And then you're going to write the plus sign. And then how many ones? There's 8 ones. Just 8 little tiny ones. So that answer is going to be 70 plus 8. So you would write that down right here. You would write 70 plus 8. There. All right, let's look at the next one is 35. And again, this one we're writing it in expanded form. I know expanded form because it has a plus sign here. That means they want us to know to write it in expanded form. Remember, expanded form is stretching it out. So I have my ones and tens chart, just like that. And then you're going to write the number 35. Well, how many tens are 35? 3, 5. There are 3 tens and 5 ones. So 3 tens is the same as what? If I have 3 10 sticks, and each 10 stick has a 10, that's 10, 20, 30. So 3 tens is the same as 30, and then we have that plus sign, and how many ones? 5. 30 plus 5. So here you're going to write, you're going to write 30 plus 5 is 35. All right, and the last one is 40. Now this one is easy. It's not expanded form. You're just writing how many tens and how many ones. So I'm going to erase my board. And then I have 40. So I'm going to write 40 in my little chart. 40. So how many tens are in 40? Let's look here. There are 4 tens in 40 and 0 ones. So I'm going to write 4 tens and 0 ones. There. Should be a piece of cake, right? Ooh, model and draw. You can write a number in different ways. What is this number? So we can write a number in word form, an expanded form, and I think that's all we're focusing on today. Word form and expanded form. So word form is writing it in words. For example, the number 59 is written in words here, and then it's also written in expanded form. Remember, expanded form is when you see that plus sign. And then it says, what is a different way to write the number? Well, we can just write it the way we know how to write it, which is 59. Right? Okay. And I love this chart right here because it tells you how to spell all of the numbers, basically, that you're going to use. All the teen words, the ones, and the tens. You're going to need this chart, so I would definitely make sure you don't lose that. You're going to need it a lot in our class throughout the year, just until you've memorized how to spell it all, okay? So here it says, look at the examples above, write the number. Then write the number in a different way, in another way. So they want you to write the number, and then they want you to find another way to write the number. So number 1, it says 32. So it says it in words, so we're going to write it in the number form. 32. So it's already in word form. It's already in number form. Now we have to write it in expanded form. Well, 32 is the same as how many tens? 30. 3 tens, which is the same as 30, plus 2, because there's 2 ones. 30 plus 2. Got it? All right. Well, let's see. Number 2, look, they already wrote it for us in expanded form, so you're going to write it in word form, 20 plus 7. So you can write 20 plus 7 is what? First, we're going to write it in the numeral form, the way we know how to write it, 27. And now you're going to write it in word form, 27. Where's 20? Oh, 20 is right here. Let's write 20. And this is the best I can do with the keyboard, so please bear with me. 7. And you see the little asterisk that I wrote? You write that between, oops, I can't even write on that. 27. You write this little, this line right here, you write it between the 1s and the 10s digit, separating them. Okay? Let's go on. 60 plus 3 is what? What's the numeral form of that? 60 plus 3 is 63. And then it's already in expanded form. It's already in numeral form. Now we have to write it in word form. So you're going to write 60. And then 3. Ooh, this is extremely hard to write with keyboard. Okay. I'll do one more with you, and then I want you to do 5, 6, 7, and 8 by yourself, okay? So here we have it in word form, 95. So we're going to write it in numeral form, 95. And then we're going to write it in expanded form, which is 90 plus 5. Okay? Now I want you to do number 5, 6, 7, and 8 by yourself. So this is expanded form. So now you're going to write this one in word form and in numeral form. This one is already in word form, so you're just going to write it in expanded form and numeral form. 28, same thing. You're going to write that in expanded form, in numeral form, because it's already written in word form. And 80 plus 0, that's 80, right? So the number form for this would be 80. And then the word form, you would just write the word 80. How do I spell that? Go up here. It's right there, 80. Just write that down right there. Okay, when you're done with that, I want you to go ahead and do this page only, which is page 15. You're going to do number 9 through 18 by yourself, okay? 9 through 18 by yourself, and you're going to take a picture of only this page, and you're going to send it to me, okay? This page I am grading. Okay, so tomorrow, and that's all you're going to do tomorrow, and then work on the My Diagnostics, I'm sorry, today, and then you're going to work a little bit on the My Diagnostics test if you haven't done that already on Education Galaxy. So we're not, so today's Thursday, we are not going on to number 19, 20, 21, or page 16. We will start this one on Friday. So I'm going to start splitting up the modules to 2 days, just to make sure I have enough time to explain the lesson thoroughly, and if anyone doesn't understand, I also have that time to answer. Okay? All right, guys, good luck. This is our first real math lesson, so if you have any questions, please let me know. See you later.